Elevate your Christmas dessert spread with the incomparable flavors of Italy's beloved tiramisu infused into a stunning log cake. This Tiramisu Tronchetto masterpiece combines the velvety richness of mascarpone, the bold essence of espresso, and a delicate hint of cocoa, all encased within a delicate sponge cake canvas. Each bite is like a party in your mouth, with velvety textures and indulgent flavors that will transport you straight to an Italian Christmas celebration. Trust me, this Italian Christmas log cake is the kind of dessert that will have your friends and family raving for years to come. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Separate the egg yolks from the whites. In a large bowl, whip the egg whites with a pinch of salt until frothy. Gradually add 100 grams granulated sugar while continuing to whip until thick and stiff peaks form. Add the egg yolks one at a time. Continue whisking. Sift the flour over the mixture and fold it in with a spatula until just combined. Line a large baking sheet, approximately 32 by 42 centimeters, with parchment paper. Spread the batter evenly onto the prepared baking sheet. Bake for 12 minutes until golden brown. Allow to cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes, then cover with plastic wrap and let cool completely at room temperature, about 5 to 6 hours. For the mascarpone filling, mix together mascarpone cheese and condensed milk in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whip heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture. Cover and refrigerate for 2 hours. Once the sponge cake is cooled, flip it over onto a work surface and peel off the parchment paper. Brush the top with coffee to moisten and let soak for 10 minutes. Spread 2/3 of the mascarpone filling evenly over the sponge, leaving a 2 to 3 centimeters border around the edges and adding a bit more filling towards the end closest to you. Carefully roll up the sponge into a log shape, pressing lightly as you go. Don't worry if the sponge cake breaks in some places, because the cracks will be covered by the mascarpone cream. Wrap tightly in foil and chill in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, unwrap and trim the ends straight. Cut one end at an angle to resemble a branch. Spread the remaining mascarpone filling over the log and use a fork to create wavy lines over the surface. Refrigerate for 8 hours or overnight to set. Before serving, dust your tiramisu log cake with cocoa powder and your delicious Christmas dessert is ready. Slice and enjoy your homemade Tiramisu Tronchetto.